Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to reset accessibility settings on the following device. At first you have to open list of all applications, so just swipe up to do it, then go to the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and tap on About Phone. Now one more time go to the bottom of the options and tap on Reset. Here the third option is Reset Accessibility Settings, so if you truly want to reset them to their defaults, click on Reset Accessibility Settings. These accessibility settings will be reset to their default settings. Related settings such as keyboard and font size won't be reset. Accessibility settings in downloaded apps won't be changed, but your personal data also won't be affected. So if you still want to do it, click on Reset Settings. Now confirm it one more time by tapping on Reset. And as you can see, accessibility settings have been reset. So that's it. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.